Good morning to everyone. In this lecture, EC8691 microprocessor and microcontroller, Unit 5, interfacing microcontroller 8051. The first interfacing of keyboard and display interfacing of 8051. In keyboard interfacing, the keyboard and LCD are the most widely used in input and output device of the 8051, and a basic understanding of them is essential. In this session, the fundamentals of keyboard along with the key press and key detection mechanism. Now the keyboard is interfaced to an 8051. The interfacing the keyboard to the 8051 at the lowest level, keyboard are organized in a matrix of row and columns. The CPU accesses both row and column through port. Therefore, with the two 8-bit port, that is a 8x8 matrix of key can be connected to a microprocessor. When a key is pressed, a row and column make a contact, otherwise there is no connection between the rows and column. Here we see the matrix connection of 8x8 matrix keyboard. One input line is required to interface one key, and this number will increase with the number of keys. When keys are open, row and column do not have any connections. When a key is pressed, it starts corresponding one row and one column. Two port input, that is an input port and an output port row are connected to the input port, referred to as a scan line. When any key is pressed, if start corresponding row and column, the row line low, otherwise the status or low line in high. Now we see the matrix interfacing matrix keyboard with microcontroller 8051. This is a 8x8 keyboard intersection. In this session, it is a function of program stored in the EPROM of microcontroller to scan the key continuously, identify which is one of the activated and present in motherboard. Now the row are connected to an output port and column are connected to an input port. If no key has been pressed, reading the input pin port 1 for all columns, since they are connected to high VCC. If all the row are grouped and any key is pressed, one column will have the 0, since the key pressed provide the path to ground. It is the function of the microcontroller to scan keyboard continuously to detect and identify the key process. To detect a pressed key, the microcontroller ground all row by providing 0 to the output latch. Then it is result in column. If the data read from the column is D3 to D0 111, no key has been pressed and process continues until a key pressed is detected. However, if one of the column bit has a 0, this means that a key is pressed has occurred. For example of D3 to D0 is equal to binary values of 1101. This means that the key is D1 column has pressed and after the key is detected. Now we see the identify pressed key, check 1, check 2, and check 1 whether any key is pressed or not. That is a all column line 0 by sending low on all of output lines. Second one, read the status of return line. If the status of all lines is logic high, key is not pressed, otherwise this key is pressed. Check 2, activate key from any one column by making one column line 0, read status of return line. And third one, active the key from the next column and repeat 2 and 3 for all columns. Thank you for watching this video.